Hello guys, and welcome to another one of my videos. In today's video I am going to be making these little mini cheesecake key limes in these jars, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the crust. I am using a cup of the graham cracker crumbs and about a quarter cup of the butter. So we're going to pour these two things together and we're going to mix it. And I think I'm going to need more butter. Okay, so the next step, into the graham cracker crumbs and the butter, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm also going to add a little bit more of the butter. But I'm going to do the butter little by little, just in case I don't want to go over with the butter. Okay, so the next step, we are going to add about a quarter of a cup of the graham cracker crust into these little mini mason jars. And once we do that, we're going to use this. We're going to pack it down to just about, I don't know, that thickness. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of the jars and I'll be right back. The next step, we are going to juice 1/4 cup of limes. I like to use fresh limes. I don't like anything artificial in my baking stuff, so I'm not going to bore you here with watching me juice all these limes. So I will come back once all of this is done. So now for the next step, we are going to add the quarter cup of the lime juice. We're going to add an entire can of Heaven sweetened condensed milk, and then we are going to add 8 ounces of the whipped cream cheese. Guys, sweetened condensed milk and cream cheese together, oh my God, I never knew that these two together tasted so amazing. I can literally just eat it right out of the blender. Okay, so in here I have the cream cheese, I have the lime juice, and I have the sweetened condensed milk, and we're just going to mix all this.
A few moments later.
So here I have the 5 little mason jars already filled with the graham cracker crust, and now we are going to pour in this mixture. And I think, hang on, I got an idea. Okay, so here I have 1/3 of a cup, and we are going to start filling these little babies up. Plop. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of the jars, and I will be right back. One thing that I like to do just to level it off is kind of tap it. And it also releases any air bubbles that it may have. And actually this 1/3 cup is the perfect amount for these little jars. So now to make it pretty, I am going to grate some of the lime right on top of the jars.
Yeah, no, it comes out really cute.
So that's one.
Not that one.
That's tapa.
Okay.
Okay guys, so now comes one of my favorite parts, which is the decorating of the jars. So I place one of these very cute little stickers, labels, whatever you want to call them, that says handmade with love, on top of the jar. Just like that. And then now I am going to tie twine, and then also place one of these little thank you mason jar cards. How appropriate. In along with the jars. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the end of this vlog. This is my creation. Look how cute. It says they're homemade or handmade with a lot of love. And then I also added this little mason jar that says thank you with a little heart. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!